Thanks for watching. We're in busy Brooklyn, New York, and behind me, this is Rivington, one of 4 locations globally. We're just checking out, see what we got going inside. Let's take a look.
They got some great stuff in there. You see bird of paradise. They have a lot of low light plants. You can see there's a Dracaena, a couple Dracaenas, dumb cane, Dracaenas. Trying to see what catches my eye. I've been looking at this guy here. I'm not sure what the name is either. He's nice, very nice, very nice. I think this is very beautiful right there. So they have a bunch of stuff in here that you can come check out. I chose this. This is a. I know it's a euphorbia, and I have actually got it in the mail, but those cuttings didn't do too well, so I picked up this guy. $12, good deal. I think I got it in the mail on Facebook. It was like $20, so it's definitely good prices in here. And you see they got big varieties of plants. String of pearls, Aaliyah. Nice, nice setup. Prayer plant. A lot of new things, everything. So if you're ever in Brooklyn, come check them out. And thanks for watching.